ICP portfolio dapp allows you to manage your crypto portfolio on the internet computer ecosystem. To begin with, click on connect, select plug wallet or any other wallet of your choice, and then click on allow to allow the wallet to connect to the application. As you can see on the left hand side, there are different menu items that you can play around with. You can send ICP or other ICRC tokens inside this application. You can also receive ICP or other ICRC tokens inside this application. On the dashboard currently there is zero balance, and that's because I don't have any tokens. So as you can see on my profile, I only have one principal address registered, and to continue with this tutorial I will have to add another one. I will come and click on new ID, and then I'll have to enter the nickname and also the principal ID. Let me go to plug wallet, switch to the other account. I copy its principal ID and then switch back to the default account. I will come write the name of the account as test account, and then I'll paste the principal ID that I have copied. Click on save and then wait for a few seconds for the information to get saved. Once the information is saved, I will need to do a simple refresh so as the information is synchronized. And once I've refreshed my page, you can see I still have zero tokens. But once again, if I access my profile page, you will see that now the new principal address has been added. Now that our portfolio value is zero, we will have to send some tokens to either of the two principal addresses that we've registered, and we will start by sending some CKBTC tokens to the principal address that we added. So here I'm copying it. I will switch back to my VS Code, and that's why I will access the terminal. And inside in my VS Code I already have a command that will allow me to send CKBTC to the address. So here I'm replacing the old principal address with the new one that I've copied, and let me copy the whole command and paste it in the terminal. I hit enter and then wait for a few seconds. As you can see that this transaction has been successful. Now I have to go back to the dashboard. Now on the dashboard, if I click on the dashboard, you will see that now what portfolio value has increased in value. We have CKBTC that occupies 100% of the total portfolio, and it's currently at 48,000. Let me repeat this process by sending more CKBTC to the other account. And again, let me access the profile, copy this principal address, and I'll go back to my VS Code in order to send some more CKBTC. Replace the principal address in the command, and then we'll have to copy the whole command and paste it in the terminal. Here I'm changing the amount to a third of what I had sent previously, and so here you can see the transaction has been successful. And now if I go back to my dashboard, wait a few seconds, and you'll see that actually the amount of CKBTC has increased and the total value has also increased. And so if you click on CKBTC, we'll see that now currently there are two addresses, one holding 1 CKBTC and the other holding 0.5 CKBTC. And if I go back to the dashboard, I will try this step of sending tokens, but now using a different token, and you'll see that our portfolio value and percentage will be affected. So now instead of sending CKBTC, I will now send chat tokens, and now all I have to do is specify the ledger that I want to call, and the rest will be still the same. So I paste the command again and then click OK, wait for a few seconds. The transaction has been successful. If I go back to the dashboard and wait a few seconds, you will see that actually now we have chat tokens. The portfolio value of CKBTC has dropped from 100 to 99, and chat has also increased a little bit. If I click on chat, you will see that there is currently only one address holding 0.5 chat. So what is happening under the hood is that whenever you add a new address or a new principal ID, the application fetches all the tokens that are held by that address or ID, and then it calculates the percentage in relation to the total number of tokens held by all the addresses. And the cool thing here is that you can send ICP, but one thing to note is that you want to be able to send the ICP or other ICRC tokens from the primary account that is holding them, and that's the account that you log in with. And as you can see, this account has 0.5, and you can only be able to send that amount from the primary account. Other principal addresses, you won't be able to send the tokens inside of them. You can also receive ICP and other ICRC tokens, but they will be going to the primary account address that you logged in with. So now let us look at another feature of where you can set up your email notifications from the principal addresses that you registered. So here you're allowed to register your email address, and as you can see, I'm typing it there. And so theoretically, this is what should happen whenever you send or receive tokens using one of the registered principal addresses, then you should receive an email telling you the tokens that you've sent, and the recipients and the receiver, and any other relevant information. And as you can see, I need to refresh a little bit for my email to be synchronized, and as you can see, it has been updated. So the other thing, you can also subscribe. This is one time setup and forget feature where you just provide the email address and also the principal ID, and then you will also receive the same email notifications. And so that is it about the application. We have more features coming, for example, the NFT launchpad on Bitfinity. And yes, thank you so much.